JCPS created the Louisville Lightning Adaptive Sports program. It gives children with differing abilities the opportunity to compete statewide and nationally.
And students with amputations, spinal cord injuries, cerebral palsy, and visual impairments can now take part in track and field events. And they can do so with some major help from the WHAS Crusade for Children.
On your marks.
I mean, it's fun.
Get set.
But
go.
It's a team.
Drive.
They're practicing. They're coming to practice 3 times a week. We're out here in the heat. We're out here in the rain. We're out here in the cold. It's a sports team, and we're showing up to competitions.
So I want 5 good pushes.
So JCPS runs everything. They supply the coaches.
Go. Drive.
We use JCPS facilities.
To the red.
My name is Laura Duncan, and I am a physical therapist with JCPS and one of the co-founders of the Louisville Lightning Adaptive Sports team. Louisville Lightning is an adapted sports program for children with physical disabilities. About 3 years ago, I attended an adapted sports regional event and very quickly recognized we had so many kids that fall in that category that would like to participate in sports, but there were no teams in Kentucky. Now here we are. So we started with track and field, and we have seated athletes race in race wheelchairs, and then they throw field implements, so shot, disc, and jav in a seated position.
It's just like what your kids are doing. It's just what you're doing, but we're doing it in a little different means. So I've had this diagnosis since I was 6. It's a neuromuscular disease that I was born with. I'm Brady Tiernan, and I'm with Louisville Lightning Adaptive Sports.
This past year, we had a bunch of kids that decided they wanted to attend Adapted Sports Nationals in Birmingham, Alabama. So we all loaded up and competed at Nationals, and they did fantastic.
Luckily, for our first year, we were really successful. Almost everyone medaled. I personally came with a gold, a silver, and a bronze.
It makes me incredibly proud. It makes me so proud because just to see him put his mind to something and excel at it and put the work in, it makes me so proud of him.
My dad's the EMS director for PRP Fire, so this year we were able to go out, help with Crusade, and that's definitely a great experience to see. And then I went door to door knocking to collect some money.
For him to say, I actually have went out and collected for the Crusade, and the money that I collected is going back to me and my friends. He said, you know, that was for him was something really, really big.
I made some jokes. I'm like, you know, this is how we get the money for the lightning is going door to door knocking.
The WHAS Crusade for Children was instrumental in our team's launch because they really supported us buying a lot of this equipment that we need. So the track chairs range between $3,600 and $3,800. So for us to have chairs that Crusade paid for is amazing.
The Crusade means a lot for me. It's truly a special thing, and it helps me out a lot, and I really like how it helps other people too.
To actually see where the money is going and be a part of it, I get choked up and makes me cry, but it's really an awesome program.
All of the money that comes in is really making a difference for our athletes. It goes 100% directly to our student athletes, and it really is life-changing.
Wow, what an incredible team. The athletes can now compete in wheelchair basketball, archery, track and field, and bocce ball. There are also future plans to include swimming, wheelchair tennis, and several more sports. And to donate to the Crusade, just head to whascrusade.org and click on the Donate tab. You can also scan the QR code that's right there on your screen.
Wonderful young man. Of course, we see his dad, Patrick, here in the building on Crusade Sunday, always the first weekend in June. And what a tremendous story put together by our own Phil Dunaway of the WHAS Crusade for Children staff, an amazing photojournalist, and he's also part of the Crusade leadership team.
Absolutely.